Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you a common error, the word act, act. So you can say this is the grammatical mistake. So this is Shandeep. So let's start. So I'm giving here the three examples to explain how the word act used perfectly. So the first example is, are you interested in the way people act towards each other? Are you interested in the way people act towards each other? So you can see here I use the word act. People act towards each other. So this is the grammatical mistake. So the right answer is, are you interested in the way people behave towards? So don't use act. Don't use people acts towards. People behave towards. This is the right. People behave. Are you interested in the way people behave towards? Don't use act. Always behave. People behave. So the next example is, it is time that human beings learned how to act properly without fighting each other. So here you can see I use the word act. This example is same as before. This one, people act towards. So how to act properly without fighting each other? So the right answer is, it is time that human beings learn how to behave properly. How to behave properly. This is the common error of using the word act. This is the right. So the main logic is, when you are talking about what someone does on a particular occasion, act and behavior are interchangeable. Okay, so as an example, passenger who left the fight in Rhodes said that they had seen two men behaving very suspiciously. When you are talking generally about what someone does or what people do, use always the word behave. So repeat again, when you are talking generally about what someone does or what people do, always use the word behave. You can't accept all babies to behave the same. From the way he behaves, anyone would think that he doesn't get paid. These are examples. So the last example is, Aaron refused to accept responsibilities for his acts. So here you can see I use the word act here. This is the grammatical mistake. So what will be the right answer? The right answer, Arun refused to accept responsibility for his action. This is correct. So the noun act is usually usually used when you are want to comment or particular thing that someone has done. Act this is a noun. Use when is usually used when you want to comment on particular thing. Want to comment on particular thing that on particular thing that on particular thing that someone has done. So it was an act of great courage. It was an act of great courage. This is a example. It was an act of great courage. These cowardly terrorist acts bring death and suffering to the innocent. When you are talking about someone's general behavior, always use the actions. It's just general behavior. When actions, CTION, action, when you are talking about someone's general behavior. Someone's general behavior. Use always the word action. As an example, you can't be blamed for your parents' actions. So this is general behavior, parents' actions. Her words and actions haven't gone unnoticed. Is an example. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.